In this demo, we're going to discuss how diet and exercise affects our health. Your weight and how much exercise you do affects the risk of developing various diseases, which can either be life-changing or life-threatening. If you eat food more than your normal intake, the excess of food is stored as fat. You need some body fat to cushion internal organs and act as energy storage. However, over time, eating too much food regularly will make you become overweight and eventually obese. In addition, obesity leads to serious health problems such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. As for heart diseases, during cellular respiration, energy coming from food is transferred to your muscles. So the duration of the exercise you do affects the amount of respiration in your muscles and the amount of food needed. Thus, by exercising, you will have more muscle tissue, which increases your metabolic rate, so you are less likely to become overweight. This reduces the risk of developing arthritis and high blood pressure. Furthermore, your heart will become fitter and develop a better blood supply. And finally, your blood cholesterol levels will decrease and different types of cholesterol will be balanced. This reduces the risk of fat deposits building up on your coronary arteries, decreasing the risk of heart diseases and other health problems. In type 2 diabetes, either your body doesn't make enough insulin to control your blood sugar levels, or your cells stop responding to insulin. It gets more common with age, and some people have a genetic tendency to develop diabetes. However, scientists collected a lot of evidence showing that being obese and lack of exercise are risk factors for developing type 2 diabetes at any age. That's why eating a balanced diet with controlled amounts of carbohydrates, losing weight, and exercising regularly restores your normal blood glucose levels, hence decreasing the risk of type 2 diabetes.